Find or read reviews that people are talking about Westinghouse, 50-inch, mini LED, 4K, UHD, Roku TV. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Advanced mini LED local dimming for ultra-high contrast. Experience a dramatic boost in picture precision with mini LED backlighting and high-density local dimming zones. Thousands of tiny LEDs independently brighten highlights and deepen dark areas for sharper contrast, reduced light bleed, and more realistic detail in every scene. QLED quantum color with wide DCI-P3 coverage. Enjoy rich, accurate color with QLED quantum dot technology, delivering up to 93% DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Combined with local dimming, you get brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and exceptional clarity, perfect for movies, sports, and gaming. Ultra smooth 4K, UHD motion with MEMC motion enhancement. Watch fast-moving content with crisp clarity in 3840x2160, 4K resolution and MEMC motion smoothing. Reduced blur and judder make action scenes, sports, and gameplay smoother and more immersive. Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG for cinema-grade brightness. Upgrade your viewing with Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG support. Each frame is optimized for deeper contrast, vivid brightness, and lifelike color, revealing nuances typically lost on standard displays. Connectivity is king. Connect next-gen devices with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, including EARC for high-bandwidth audio like Dolby Atmos. Features include USB, Ethernet, optical digital output, and many AV inputs built to power all your home entertainment with maximum flexibility. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.